and safety, but mostly tradition. We should take a few short seconds and call for emergency traffic only. Come now. This is NC4L and the Hole in the Walnut. Aye, nothing being heard there. I'm glad everybody's home safe and sound, and we shall now move to the second order of protocol, which is to ask for mobile and or portable operating stations. Come now, we are listening.
Whiskey 4, Kilo Whiskey Sierra.
Whiskey 4, Kilo Whiskey Sierra. Good evening, how are you? And you're in the mobile?
Yeah, I'm in a portable station here in Key West, Malcolm. Good evening to you. November Charlie 4 Lima, or no charge for ladies. This is Tony down in Key West. I've checked in before. We've spoken about anything from solar panel to electric cars. Running a 705 tonight here, 10 watts to the antenna, and just wanted to say hello and see if I can actually make it to you, my friend. You're sounding good, 5 and 9 in Key West, over.
Yeah, a little bit on, actually, you're coming in pretty good. I mean, you're not a strong station. You would expect that running only 10 watts because, 40 has a lot of noise. But you're coming in, I would not, I would have guessed that you're running about 100 watts. So if you're only running 10, you're doing a great job there, Tony.
Hey, Malcolm, thank you so much. I appreciate that. I always enjoy listening to the net, and anyways, just wanted to say hello, and I'll be standing by here. Back to you, and a beautiful evening here in Key West. November Charlie 4 Lima, Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sierra.
Hey, what's your temperature down there right now, do you know?
I would have to look, but I would have had to guess about 82, 83, and we're keeping a close eye on that storm, even though it's gonna pass west of us here in Key West. Once that thing grows in size, we will feel some effects of it. Over.
Okay, so about 83. Hey, Tony, are you there on vacation, or do you work down there, or what?
No, negative. I'm a permanent resident here, 25 years. So, I work here. I work for the county here, for the school district, and we've been here 25 years. Over.
Wow, that's beautiful. We've been down there a bunch of times. Always had a good time down there. We were there primarily on cruises, and they would stop off, and that was one of the stops, and we had a very lovely time. It was very hot, but we had a lovely time there, Tony. Good hearing you. Thank you for coming in and letting us know that you're doing okay. So, do we have any other check-ins, mobile or portable so far, before we get to go further? Anybody?
10 watts. No amp.
I'm up to 88.5. You're not on the correct frequency. I can't hear you. You sound like